Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. And again, thank you for being here. I do truly appreciate it. As you can see from the description below, we do have a new subscription to our channel to unbox today, and I am super excited. It is the Green Spa box. And what I like about this subscription is they send you 5 travel size products. They are natural and cruelty free, and they're supposed to help you disconnect from a busy and hectic work routine. There is free shipping with this box. It is $14.95 a month. I will leave information down below if you would like to sign up, but let's get in here and see what it's all about. I'm really excited. So I want to see. Ooh. And when we open it, it is sealed here with the pretty tissue paper and a sticker. So let's open it. So it says, "Welcome and Happy New Year 2019. A new year has begun. It's time for a fresh new start, but first we must detoxify our bodies and minds in order to create the perfect balanced state that will help us go forward and accomplish our goals and resolutions. Once again, nature has given us the resources we need. For us, it is a pleasure to send them right to your doorstep. Make sure to share your product review and experience." Okay, so book card, and on the back it does have the details of the items that we received. So let's just get in here. What are you? What are you? Oh, this is accessory and bonus gift. Okay. The accessory, a fashionable headband, I'm guessing is this. So you could put this on when you're doing a sheet mask, or even just putting your makeup on, whenever you would like to put on a headband to keep your hair out of your face. So it's always great to have one of these. So let's see. Lots of squigglies. And the first thing I see here, I think I know what this is. Yep. Aromatherapy shower infuser. And this says, "Our invigorating aromatherapy shower infusers will turn your everyday shower into a spa experience. Simply place on the shower floor out of the direct water stream. Relax and enjoy the indulgent aromatherapy as you shower." So I love shower steamers. I think they are awesome. Basically, they're like the shower version of a bath bomb. They just create this great smell and just relax. And now, obviously, you do not get the, like with a bath bomb where, obviously your skin could get benefits. But I think that shower steamers are great, especially for me, because I generally will take a shower over a bath. So I love these. Excuse me. Shower infusers are aromatherapy fizzing tablets that are placed on the floor in a running shower. The hot water releases the essential oil vapors to relieve stuffiness and clear up sinus congestion. Well, you, my friend, are getting used later today because I have a sinus infection. I got over the flu and literally like a day later started feeling bad again, went back to the doctor, and I have a sinus infection. So this actually came at a great time. So I am excited about that. And let's move right along. What are you? Davidson's Organics. This, I believe, is the bonus gift. This is caffeine-free Tulsi tea with ginger. And it says, and lemon myrtle to create a delicious tartness with a kick of ginger spice. So this was just like a little bonus, make you a nice cup of hot tea. So we can always use that. Let me get some of these squigglies out of the way. All right. And then We have verbena broi. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Soap with organic shea butter. Briois, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I butcher it, I'm sorry. Are made in somewhere, I'm not sure. With real plant pieces which gently exfoliate and renew skin. These spa soaps are hand milled and are made with the finest ingredients, including organic shea butter, legendary for soothing, moisturizing, and protecting the skin. Use verbena for a natural, restful bath or shower. So it's a French soap. So I'm definitely excited to give that a try. And then we have, what are you? Eucalyptus and peppermint massage oil. Dropped it. Okay, so here we have this. Ease away tension and stress with this nourishing blend of 5 oils infused with the scent of fresh herbs and flowers. We use the finest moisturizing jojoba oil obtained from the first pressing of the oil-rich seed. To use, warm in hands, the massage over muscles. It says for a relaxing bath, pour a capful into warm water. Add to a foot bath to create soft skin in the harsh winter months. So I can actually smell this a little bit. And it smells amazing. And even with my stuffy nose, I love that. All right, and then we have Wasabi Ginger Detox Spa Bath. The Wasabi Hangover Bath Treatment contains organic ginger for nausea, fever, and indigestion, organic mustard for increased circulation, stimulating sweat glands and opening pores, Epsom salt for relieving aching muscles and internal rebalancing, and a specific blend of essential oils to loosen phlegm, soothe nerves, and stimulating pain relief. Combined, these ingredients are the ultimate detoxifying bath, which relieves symptoms of jet lag, hangover, food overconsumption, or the flu and cold. Again, came right in time. So here's that. Let's see, does it really say? Nope, basically says the same thing on the card. So yay. Says to use, add a 1/4 cup to a warm bath, soak for 15 minutes. And it says exit bath and wrap self in blankets or robe to further detox for 30 minutes. Drink plenty of water throughout. So, and based on the amount, I'm going to guess this is about that 1/4 cup. So this is perfect for one bath. So we will be giving that a try. And that was everything, you guys. That was everything in our box. So that was the January 2019 Green Spa box. I have to say I am pretty happy with this box. So for the first time opening it, I am very pleased. And like I said, it's only $14.95 a month, so it's really not that bad. So yeah, I mean, I definitely recommend it. I am excited to use the shower steamer, to use the the bath detox, the essential oil rub. So, and then we got the tea and the headband. So this will be great for anytime I decide to use a face mask or for putting on makeup, anything like that. So I am impressed with this box. I like it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think if you guys get this box. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk with you in the next video.